Hey, I'm Cyrus. Welcome to this meditation to help you open your heart. This is a great session if you're an overthinker, you're stuck in your head a lot, or if you have difficulty connecting with your emotions or being emotionally open with others. Start off by getting into a comfortable position, sitting upright in a chair or laying down, and closing your eyes. Take a deep, slow, powerful breath into your nose and fill up your entire body with the breath. And release it powerfully and slowly out through the mouth. Let's do 2 more like that, a little bit deeper each time, breathing deeply in through the nose, filling up the entire body, and letting it go slowly, effortlessly out through the mouth. Deepest, slowest one yet now, breathing in, filling up the entire body really slowly in through the nose. And letting it go through the mouth in super slow-mo, relaxing, releasing, decompressing any tension as you exhale. Make any final adjustments to your position now and settle into a consistently committed physical stillness and allow your breathing to return to normal. Keep your attention on your chest and heart area for a moment. Notice the chest rising and falling with the breath naturally as it comes to you. Feel yourself letting go of a little bit more control as the breath comes to you at its own pace, simply observing the subtle, soothing rise and fall of the chest. And now feel the soothing, radiating influence of the breath and the heart energy radiating outward to the rest of the body. Feel it ripple down into the legs, relaxing your legs and feet. Feel it wash and pool into the back as the back muscles unclench and release into the supports. Feel the breath energy rippling into the arms and hands, softening them and allowing them to release. Allow the chest and stomach to open and bloom like a flower with the breath. And feel that wave of relaxation washing through the head and the face, feeling the muscles around the eyes softening, the tongue dropping to the floor of the mouth and the jaw releasing as the mind stays awake and alert as you feel this wave of relaxation permeating the entire physical body. Feel this soothing wave of energy traveling from head to toe like a subtle, pleasant, buzzing vibration feeling washing through the entire body. Feel yourself becoming lighter and more effortless with each breath, as though your body is becoming more energy than matter, releasing into this pleasantly weightless state. And now feel all of this effervescent electromagnetic energy you've summoned pooling into your heart, siphoning all of your consciousness into your heart area, and allowing your mind to melt into it as well, feeling yourself letting go of thoughts, feeling them melt into the heart and become one with the energy in that area specifically. Notice what sensations you feel as you center your consciousness at your heart. Maybe there's hurt, maybe there's joy, maybe there's numbness and a lack of feeling. Whatever it is, allow it to be completely as it is. Don't judge it, don't escape it, don't try to change it. Just tap into the courage to hold spacious awareness around whatever sensations you notice. Remembering that you are in control, and if you feel safe to do so, allowing any sensations that you notice might want to arise to simply arise within the heart or the body, allowing them to float up and be fully recognized. Let go of any thoughts and stay with the sensations, not trying to change them or escape them, centering all of your attention on the sensations as they flow through at their own pace, just bearing witness to them as they are. If it feels safe, release even more control. Feel a sense of internal surrender, of breath and relaxation, and really feel the wave of energy or whatever you notice washing through the heart, and simply allow it to as you ignore the thoughts and stay with the sensations as they are, fully present with yourself. And now that you've acknowledged and felt through anything you might notice in the heart area, invite yourself to begin to release it, to let go of it. Don't think about how to do this. Just envision yourself handing over this energy to a greater energy of your understanding. Breathe and set the clear intention to release, to let go, to clear out more space. Feel the energy lifting, dissolving, evaporating up and out through the body, and welcome in a sense of total spacious flow and a sense of safety, acceptance, and love. Breathing that energy as if it were infinite into the space that you've opened up in your heart. Even if you don't feel it fully, just imagine as if there were infinite amounts of this energy within and all surrounding you, and you're breathing it in spades into that energetic space of the heart. Feel that sense of openness of the heart, even if it's just a little bit more than it was before. And affirm to yourself in your mind now, if you wish, it's safe to open my heart, even just a little bit more. Allow yourself to feel that deeply now, not to think it, but to center your attention on your heart and feel that deeply now. Feel yourself connecting to your heart's wisdom, the little quiet voice that your heart speaks with. Just like our minds can sometimes shout, feel how the heart speaks on a different level of quiet conviction and knowing. And now envision a person, place, or thing that evokes a feeling of love within your heart. Allow that feeling to rise to the surface of your consciousness. Feel it blooming within your heart area. And imagine and feel as though it's getting stronger and more amplified with every breath as it flows to you. Imagine and feel it melting away any fears, worries, concerns, or tensions that have been held within your heart. Feel how the love of energy that you're breathing is bigger and stronger than all of that. And welcome it to melt and consume all of the other energies so that you feel it flowing into all of the nooks and crannies and converting everything into the energy of love. Feel that energy rippling and washing through the whole body now, like it's lighting up every cell of your body as it gets diffused everywhere with the breath. And now, if it's comfortable, place both your hands on top of your heart. Feel yourself breathing and flowing with that open, loving energy at the heart. And envision yourself clearly moving through your life, connected to your heart energy with a sense of openness, radiance, and softness emanating from that area. And invite yourself to feel that as you picture it clearly now. See yourself being patient, open, understanding, and compassionate with yourself, with your heart open. And see yourself being open, expressive in the ways that you want to be, and emotionally connected to others from your heart in a way that feels safe and good to you, feeling that as you see it. And finally, leave one hand on your heart, and if it's comfortable, move the other hand to your forehead. And with one hand on your head and one hand on your heart, imagine and feel an energetic strand, a connection opening up and running between these 2 points of energy. Feel yourself more balanced, flowing into a sense of harmony between your head and your heart, and see and feel yourself making decisions, moving through situations, and living your life with this balance and connection between your head and your heart. Feel free to stay in this space, stay relaxed, and simmer in it for as long as you feel is beneficial to you. And when you feel ready, open your eyes and move slowly and delicately at your own pace, taking special care to stay tuned in to any subtle shifts of energy or awareness that you've cultivated. And I invite you to practice this session as often as you feel it would benefit you in opening that energy of your heart. And another great way to practice this is to notice when your attention is mostly in your thinking mind, and simply practice meditatively bringing your attention back into your heart, centering and balancing more of your attention there on a regular basis as a habit, so that you can relate to yourself and others from this place, so that you can move and flow and feel the progressively increasing benefits and joy of opening the heart energy. Please share this session with anyone you feel it may benefit. And I invite you to subscribe to this channel for more sessions like this. Feel free to leave a like, a comment, to make a donation, to ask a question, and I hope you have an amazing day.